Okay guys, so I have this fill slime. It's from shampoo and baking soda. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it work. I'll put right here. I'm not gonna use baking soda anymore. I'm gonna use oh shit. Oh, it's sticky. Okay, I'm gonna use the activator. This activator. Okay. Let's see what I can do. If I can make it or not. We'll see. Because I saw on YouTube somebody make it, but she didn't use the activator. She used the baking soda. I used the baking soda, but it didn't work for me. I want to try this activator. I don't think it's gonna work. Look at this. Let me put more. Let's see. Nah. So that girl is fake. Okay, I'm gonna post you. I'm gonna show you the video that she posted. She's fake. Come on, dude. Can't make a slime based on baking soda and shampoo. I did create another slime. This slime is mine. From glue, this activator, and the glow in the dark. I don't know where is it, but let me find one. Yeah, glow in the dark glue. So yeah, it didn't work, guys. Shit. She lied. She lies a lot. Look at this. You cannot make it. Okay, guys. That's all I want to show you. By the way, never put your slime on the hair. It's hard to get out.